guys, so this is a Banshee that I built a while back. Sold it to a buddy in the group, and he ran it for a good while and everything. Been about 2 years or more, and ended up going through the flood last year. And I'm here on the side of the road right now. I met him in between, and I'm going to put it in my trailer, take it home, and then get it tore down. So you're going to be seeing videos on this one. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on what's to come. This is just a short clip. He, like I said, he went through the flood in Harvey last year. He hadn't had time to work on it. Been trying to get back on his feet because his house was flooded also. So now he's ready to get it back legit and everything. So we're going to do a complete build on this one. We'll be cranked top end and everything probably. So one thing I want to tell you guys is a lot of guys ask about, does the paint hold up? This bike is straight out of the flood, and if you look at this frame, this is paint, and there is, I mean, yeah, it's dirty, but the paint isn't peeling anywhere on the frame. And it's just Walmart, well, this is actually Duplicolor spray paint, and I painted this frame about 3 years ago, and he's been running it ever since. And you can see there's still sediment there from the water that went down. Even the A-arms don't have any paint coming off. I'll shoot up here in the front a little bit, you guys can see. So if the prep work is done right, you don't have to powder coat it. Paint holds up fine. Look at there. And this is a good 3 years worth of paint. Now he did paint these, but you know, the paint there didn't stick as well. But they weren't blasted either. They were just sanded. The frame was actually blasted, and I'm really happy with how it's held up. And I mean, it's still got a gloss to it. You can see there. So you guys that really want a nice looking finish, y'all don't have to spend all that money on powder. As long as you can get it blasted or really prep it well, y'all gonna be good to go. So here's a testament right here to how does spray paint hold up. All right guys, we'll see you guys later.